What you doing?
Taking pictures of my car
Why?
because I hydroplane.
This is what happens to your car, like we said earlier. You see that? This shit. It's off from a guardrail, man. And this side seems to be okay, because we didn't hit it on this side. But the bumper's all jacked up. And the front, the grill is like screwed up. It's supposed to say VW. Doesn't say VW anymore. It's like all screwed up and whatnot. My hair getting in the video there.
Hey, at least it's just the plastic parts and not metal.
Yeah. But other than that, so kids, drive safely.